Good morning and welcome to this week's Vandal vlog video, aka the Scrapman Diaries, and good times are ahead. Why? Because one, I sorted out my torch so you guys can actually see something, and two, I've sorted out my camera so it's not an absolute mess like the other videos have been recently. For some reason the camera decided to go into a low res, what else did it do? It was low res, the thingy was wrong, and there was something else. But now it's in high res, it's in a vertical view, and oh yeah, and it's 16.9 instead of whatever the hell the other thing was, which made my other videos look absolutely terrible. But anyway, we're going out on the streets of Southampton to try and find something. Good news, we found stuff, but it took a while. It took a while. I'll see you guys back here momentarily, and we'll go through what we got. I'll see you then. Right, let's go out there and see what we can find in the urban jungle. Something to be good. Nothing but absolute rubbish. That was a fail. I'm having to get out and get foxy because there's nothing around. Why are they in there? Dead out here today, people. Get my snips. Do you like my light? Look at that empty van. It's a bit chilly out here today. Oh, it's just a fridge. Cord's cut. Damn it. We found something. Wow. We actually found a bit of scrap. It's a miracle, people. Oh, isn't this light a lot better? Let's tidy up in here. First scoop of the day. Next. Well, boys and girls, foxes and vixens, it is not looking good out here for the Vandal. I've been out for almost an hour and a half and I've found one thing. An error. What's going on? Sundays used to be good. That's 2 Sundays in a row that I've been out. I haven't found anything. Kind of crazy. What is going on? How's a fox supposed to eat? You get me? Well, let's carry on and try and find something. Anything. Absolutely anything. Just a couple of big fat appliances would be really nice right now. I've got my appliance. It's not a big fat one, but it's an appliance. Let's got it. I'll take it. I'll take anything right now. You rolling around. Stay there, Jack. Got to carry a jack with me in my toolbox just in case, you know. I'll drive a transit. So it could break down at any minute. Let's not do that, hey big mama. Couple of bits and bobs, yeah, there's a knife there. Cleaning these streets up, one knife at a time. Doing my bit for society, you know. Taking knives off the streets. Nice bit of shooting. Oh, these laughing gas bottles are absolutely everywhere. Some of them are Addy, some of them are iron. They are absolutely everywhere now. I don't know if the yards are right to take them or not. Some more there, look. Surely there goes a bit of short still. They are absolutely everywhere around this town. Any more? Nah. Where am I going now? Oh, let's go this way. Let's just pick them up now. See if we've got anything here worth grabbing. Really? Cords have been cut. No. No goodies for the vandal. Right up front with me then, my precious, since I forgot the blinking door. We're getting a bit foxy. I don't like driving up and down these alleyways in Big Mama. She's a bit big, and there's nothing down here anyway, so it's a total waste of time. What's that? Any metal? Nah, just a bunch of garbage. Box locked up, so I presume they would like to keep it. Over here. Is that metal? Is that wood? It's wood, isn't it? It's got to be wood. It's got to be wood. Oh, Stairgate, I'll take that. Sick. Good times. The obligatory Stairgate. The obligatory forgot to unlock my chucking door. Jeepers. I'll get it right one day. See what we've got here. Sure, I just saw a sink. There is a sink. You have been vandalised. Feels a bit weighty, so I'm guessing it might be a half iron. God's sake. For crying out loud, this is getting ridiculous. Sick of this chuffing van, I'll tell you. Oh. Half stainless. Damn. Not even a good one. I'm getting desperate, we're taking office chairs. Oh. Scrap, scrap. Let's go vertical. Let's pretend we got a pickup truck. Actually, while I'm here, let's get these pots and pans and that out. Oh. Some bottles. Iron. Iron. They're alley, them ones. Got on here. Stainless. Nice. Like a bit of stainless. Oh, by the way, that's how you test stainless, with a magnet. Well, we're pretty much near the end, to be honest with you. So yeah, we've got a tumble dryer, we've got an air, a couple of pushchairs, a couple of bikes, office chair, stairgate, a sink, some bars of metal, some stainless steel pots, and some of them. See how easy they are to get off. There ain't much. Well, let's see if we can find a few more bits on the way home. Paws crossed, because there's nothing out here really. Couple of little scoops. Let's take the old lot. It is abysmal out here, I tell you. It's just a bunch of garbage. Sorry about steering wheel. Next. Take an error. I'll even drop out of it. Washing machine. Probably could have parked a bit closer. But hey, Got to see you do that in your truck. So I've actually got some weight. What did he do? Check this out. Fly tippers. That's the worst shot ever. Gloves on. Wood. Some metal. Metal. Huh. Well, if the local council are watching, I know they used to. I'm helping you clean up. Isn't that nice of me? Metal. Smelly enough. Crazy. I only came down here because I got diverted. Go on, cans. No money in cans. Ugh. Why don't I put my chopping gloves on? Metal, a bit shearing. Oh. Sweet. Found some scrap and I'll help clean up for the council. That's a win-win situation. Cool. Why not put my gloves on? Instead of being a moron. Boom. Let's just cut the cord off this fridge, shall we? I'm not taking a pot. That's naughty. Probably more in these bags, but I just do not want to go through them all. It's wood. No more wood. We only want the scrappy bits. One, I'll put my gloves on. Still been a moron. Well, fly tipping's never good. But in this case it was, because I got some scrappy bits. So there was a guy there across the road. He must have been watching me. He shouted at me. He went, "Hey, there's a wash machine down here." All right, I'll go and grab it then. I don't think it's a wash machine though. I think it's a tumble dryer. Is it a washing machine? It is a washing machine. Wow. Yeah, we'll have that. We will have that. Big fat heavy washing machines. That's what I like. So we're looking here quick. Little mate just lives here. Must be the packaging for the new one. Can't believe that. Spent 4 hours driving around for hardly anything. Right down the road from where I live, there's a pile of scrap and 2 washing machines. Can't believe it. Oh, we're here by the way, in case you didn't know. Oh, crazy. See if we can get some more on the way home. And this is what we found. Bit of a miracle. That washing machine, and all that stuff there, I found in the last 20 minutes. Bearing in mind, I've been out for about 5 hours. What else did we get? We got that bicycle, we got some other metal, we got a couple of airers, a couple of push chairs, a tumble dryer, an office chair, bunch of detritus, a couple of vacuums. I might have to lose that somewhere. We got a half stainless steel sink. We've got some of them laughing gas bottles in there. What else? Is that it? Oh, we got them stainless steel pots down here somewhere. Don't know where they've gone, but no non-ferrous. So that's it's a bit of a bummer. That'll be coming out. Has that one got a motor? Yeah, it's got a motor. Cool. If only I had a sledge. What else did we get? Is there someone else up there? Don't know. Some crappy kids' bikes. They were on a pile of scrap, so I'm alright to take them. Normally I don't touch them. Yeah. We got some light iron, we got some shearing, we got a bit of refine. We got some laughing gas and some cables. We got some alley. So them soda stream ones are aluminium. Nice bit of brass on the top. These ones, the old fast gas, they're iron with a little bit of brass on them. What else? Any other brands? Oh yeah, Cream Deluxe. Cream Deluxe. What, the stuff that kids are into these days. Kind of, and it's more expensive than weed. So yeah, kind of weird. That's it. We're done. It's over for this one. So I'm going to go out either tonight or tomorrow morning, and then hopefully on Wednesday's video or Sunday's video, whatever day I upload this video, we'll have some decent content for you guys. Big Mama's doing alright. Suspension's back to normal. She does need shocks. She could do with a couple of shocks, bless her. But yeah, that is it. Before my camera runs out, I better say goodbye. So yeah, until the next one, be cool, be kind, or try and be. And until then, keep it 10 in whatever you do. That's like everything in life, he says. It's kind of difficult to keep it 10 at the moment, especially when the streets are kind of empty, but you know, that's the way it is. Right, I'm going home. Gonna lick my wounds and have a right old munch and a nice cup of tea. Thanks for watching this one, guys. I'm really sorry about the previous content. It wasn't fantastic. It wasn't good at all. It was pretty amateurish, to be honest with you. But yeah, we'll make some improvements and we'll try and get back to our normal good stuff. But if you like this one, please give it a thumbs up, as it really helps the algorithm. And if you want to see more of the Scrapman Diaries, please subscribe. And I'll try and get at least a video or two on every week. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. That's it. That's all I got. Love. Let's go home and get a munch. Oh, I don't know if you guys saw that or not. I don't know if my battery ran out or not, but I've got some more scoops. Good times. Right, that finishes that off nicely. Let's go over.